The big movers from yesterday, which saw heavy volume action and just stood out in that sense. I'm assuming Dixon will find a mention there, among others. Hormuz, take it away.
Morning, Prashant. And Dixon does find a mention where you talk about the listings of the day first. And Meesho made a very stellar debut yesterday, ended almost 54% higher at a time when the broader markets were selling off left, right and center. Shares worth almost 7,000 crores were traded on its listing day. That was the kind of trading activity seen on Meesho yesterday. Aequs also had a fairly decent debut, ending almost 21% higher. Shares worth almost 1,700 crores that were traded yesterday. And Vidya Wires, a quiet debut compared to the other two. Even that saw trading activity worth almost 550 crore. Now, you mentioned Dixon Technologies. The stock had its biggest single day fall since January. The stock fell almost 10% yesterday, in line with almost the sell-off that was seen in Cairns. The stock has declined in 9 out of the last 10 sessions. Yesterday's volumes were the highest in 6 months. Close to 10 lakh shares were traded. The 20-day average is 2.5 lakh shares. You would usually notice that on stocks that have very significant trading activity, the delivery volumes are lower. Not quite in this case. Almost 50% of those were marked for delivery. Almost 4.25 lakh shares marked for delivery. The 20-day average is only a lakh. The stock down 17% in the last 1 month, down 31% so far this year. And Balrampur Chini, sugar stocks had a fairly good day yesterday, gains across the board. And Balrampur Chini gained almost 7% yesterday, the biggest single day gain since March. The stock has been a bit of an underperformer, gaining only thrice in the last 10 sessions. Wednesday's volume is the highest in 3 months. Almost 45 lakh shares traded, 20-day average close to 3 lakh. But the delivery volumes yesterday were significantly lower compared to when the stock had declined on Tuesday. Only 3.5 lakh shares out of those 44 lakh shares were marked for delivery. The 20-day average of 1.5 lakh, and the stock has corrected almost 30% from its 52-week high levels of close to 650.
Thank you very much for that.